Number 1, cable rope curl. Target muscle bicep brachii mainly and brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. First of all, stand facing the cable machine and attach the rope cable to the lowest lock of the machine and hold it with both hands, keeping the elbow close to the body and your upper arm stable. Bringing the cable toward the shoulder and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze the bicep muscle. Then slowly take the rope cable to the starting position. Start with the light weight. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions and increase the weight after each set. Number 2, cable rope push down. Target muscle tricep brachii. Like the previous exercise, you also have to perform this while standing in front of the cable machine. But in this, you have to attach the rope cable to the upper lock of the machine and hold it with both hands with an overhead grip. Keeping the hands forward and elbow close to the body, pull the rope cable downward and squeeze the tricep muscle. Then to complete the repetition, slowly bringing the cable back to the starting position. Then again lower the rope cable. With this form, 4 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions have to be done. Number 3, one arm cable curl. Target muscle bicep brachii. Stand at the side away to the cable machine and hold the single handle cable with an underhand grip with one hand. Start by selecting a light weight, keeping your hands forward and elbow close to the body. Whenever you bring in the cable upward to the shoulder level, curl it slightly outward, squeeze the bicep muscle, then bring in the handle to the starting position. With this form, do it with the other hand also. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Number 4, rope overhead extension. Target muscle long head of the tricep. Facing away from the cable machine, grab the rope cable with an overhead grip and extend your arms overhead. Then bend your elbow to lower the rope cable behind your head. During this entire movement, keep your upper arms close to your head and squeeze the tricep muscle. As you pull the rope cable completely upward to complete the repetition, again take the rope cable downward from behind the head. Also do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 5, cable kneeling preacher curl. Target bicep brachii, brachialis and brachiodialis. Attach the straight bar handle to the lowest lock of the cable machine and sit at the short distance from the cable machine as shown in the video. Hold the handle with an underhand grip with your upper arm resting on your knees, keeping your hands straight forward with control form. Bringing the bar toward the shoulder, hold it for 1 second, squeeze the bicep muscle, then keeping the upper arm stable, bringing the cable bar to the starting position. You should select the some weight so that the position of your body remains stable. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 6, cable kickback. This isolate the tricep and make the tricep bigger. Attach the single handle to the lower lock of the cable machine and stand facing the machine with your hips and knees bended and back straight. With your elbow fully extend, pull the handle backward until your entire arm is straight so that your tricep muscle can be squeezed properly. Then with the control, bring in the cable to the starting position. Do maintain proper form using a light weight. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 15 repetitions with both hands and increase the weight after each set.